Hello there, welcome to yet another lesson. So today we shall be learning about human activities that destroys the environment. Human activities that destroys the environment. Good. So when we say human activities that destroys the environment, what are human activities that destroy the environment? So these are acts of humans that ruin or destroy the environment. So any act that destroys the environment falls under human activities that destroys the environment. Good. So any act of human that destroys or ruins the environment falls under human activities that destroy the environment. Good. So let's take a look at some human activities that destroys the environment. So the following acts of mankind or human ruin the environment. So one, we have washing into water bodies. So when we wash into water bodies, it destroys the environment. Two, we have defecating into water bodies. So when we ease ourselves or attend to nature's call in water bodies, we end up destroying the environment. Also, we have burning of farmlands and forests. So when we burn farmlands and forests, we destroy the environment. Also, we have deforestation. This also destroys the environment. And then burning of rubbish or improper burning of rubbish. So when you burn rubbish anyhow, you end up destroying the environment as well. And then improper disposal of waste. This is also another act of human which destroys the environment. So first and foremost, let's take a look at deforestation. And when we say deforestation, this is an act of cutting down trees without planting new ones to replace them. So when we cut down trees without planting new ones, we destroy the environment. And as such, we destroy the land. We leave the land bare. As you can see in the picture, all the trees that were planted have been cut down, and the land is really bare, and this can result in soil erosion and also a lot of carbon dioxide can be in the atmosphere, since plants give us oxygen and then we humans breathe out carbon dioxide. We realize that we'll be out of oxygen, which is needed for respiration. So let's take a look at another act of humans which destroys the environment, and we have improper disposal of waste. So this is also another act of humans which destroys the environment. So when we throw away rubbish anywhere and then anyhow, we end up destroying the environment. As you can see in the picture there, the rubbish has been scattered everywhere. It's on the floor, and this is a clear explanation or a vivid uh, explanation of what I'm trying to put across here. Also, we have a emission of gases from factories. This is also another act of humans which ruins the environment. These gases destroy the atmosphere. So you realize that these factories, when they produce things in their factories, they end up emitting gases from their factories through the chimneys, which have been found on top of their industries or their factories. And then when these gases go into the atmosphere, it really destroys the air and makes it difficult for you and I to breathe, and also it can result in respiratory infections. All right, let's take a look at another human act that destroys the environment. So we have disposing of waste or rubbish into water bodies. So this is also an act of humans that destroys the environment. When we throw rubbish into water bodies, they become polluted and then unsafe for us to use. So as you can see in the picture, you realize that the water has been really contaminated, and then it is what unsafe for us to use. I don't think you can use this water for cooking, for bathing, or for any other purpose. So when we do this, we destroy the environment, and this can also result in several diseases. For instance, if you should drink this water, you can be infected with several diseases such as the cholera or diarrhea, and you really fall sick. It's really bad for our health. Good. So we've been able to identify what human activities that destroys the environment are. We've been able to identify some human activities that destroys the environment, and this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I believe I've been helpful with this lesson. Hopefully we shall meet some other time. Bye.